Good morning. We are the Maximum Builders Private Limited. I'm the consultant engineer of the particular project. We are here to present Project Appraisal, our new project, proposed construction of model castle at Del Total. First of all, I would like to acknowledge Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority to selecting us as consultant for this project. We are doing this appraisal to explain pre-investment analysis of market and technical feasibility, financial soundness, economic desirability and its investment worth. I warmly welcome and I would like to invite all the ladies and gentlemen gathered here to invest our project. I will let you know brief introduction about our company. We are Maximum Builders Consultancy Company. We have been established in 1990, around 30 years. We have past experience similar projects like this. Construction of hotels, restaurants, apartments, schools and many more throughout Sri Lanka. Our vision, the best team providing the best construction solution. Mission, we are dedicated to provide best construction solution at all. To continue this, we have professional team I would like to show you. Consultant engineer, me, Tinushini Sankar, I will explain project review, project details, project objective, SWOT analysis, project organization structure. Then, our legal officer, Ms. F.G. Kavisha Deshangi, will explain legal procedure, regulations, procurement method, tendering method, and feasibility studies. Mr. M.M.A. Imendra, our design engineer, will explain project design and estimating. Mr. S.M. Lahir Udara, financial manager, will explain investment options, project budget, revenue generation activities, financial studies, investment options. Project manager, Ms. R.A.L.L. Lankani, will explain project planning about project program. Then finally, our Safety and Environment Officer, Mr. Achala Shriya Lanatunga, will explain health and safety environment precautions and risk management. I will let you know why you should invest this project. Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority is government authority with planning, development, regulation and implementation of tourism and related industries. They have requirement of new hotel to attract more foreigners. Sri Lanka GDP, gross domestic product, stand at around $76 billion, which means that the direct hotel investment amount close to 5% of country's GDP. It is well known fact that considerable marginal infrastructure development take place with the development of hotels.
A building is a landmark. A building can speak. We proudly propose this project to attract more tourists towards Sri Lanka and make our country comfortable, relaxing place for all of them.
Let me tell you about project objective. Main objective to attract foreigners towards Sri Lanka and local people who seeking better relaxing place. Provide good service and good product to customer satisfaction. Make people feel luxurious. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a simple technical tool to determine some features about the project. The classification of some features as strength or weakness or opportunities or threats is a rather chance. Strength or weakness, internal factors. Opportunities or threats, external factors. Strength, food and beverage, banquet facilities, collaboration with top corporate technology, upgrade time to time, hygiene standard and customer experience, one of the most popular hotel chain brand. Weakness, distance far from town, excess time taken due to several factors, lack of workmanship. Opportunities. Improvement of membership plans, customer loyalty programs, set higher standard from room division, location full with beautiful environment and fresh air, income generation option available under the project. A very
good relaxing place for busy life, upgrade to international method of work. Threats: COVID-19 virus, climate changes, other heritage properties, better facilities offered by competitors, terrorist attack happened last year. Then I will explain project details in brief. Project name: construction of model castle. Our client: Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority. Type of contract: design and build. Estimate cost: around 4 million. Project duration: 1 year. Site area: 8 acres. Site location: Teltotta. This is the site location. Teltotta is a small town in Kandy district in Sri Lanka. The town is located near to Nuwara district and has a cold climate that's similar to Nuwara. There's a Kandidanna River near to the site. Then I invite our legal officer, Kavisha Deshanki.
Thank you, Ms. Sirushi. I'm Kavisha, legal officer. First of all, let's see what are the related government bodies which affects to this project. Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority and Ministry of Land and Urban Development Authority. Especially, we know the Kandy Municipal Council and the local government authority in Mahatheva had a local government authority, and then water supply and drainage board, irrigation department, and such as. Let's see. What are the acts and regulations effects to this our project? The main regulation is the UDA regulation. UDA regulation in 1978 Act Planning and Building Regulation Law on 1978, and also there are some extraordinary gazettes. And there are some urban development authority amendments following, and also we should follow the land acquisition acts in Ministry of Land. There are Sri Lanka land manual. There is a Sri Lanka land manual we should following, and there is a act in land acquisition in 1950, and also we should follow the NBRO regulation because our project is located in the Delta Kandy area. But no Kandy area. How about their climate and their soil condition? So we should get the building clearance, from the NBRO. NBRO means National Building Research Organization requested developers to get the building clearance through the UDA, CCD, and SLTDA. And also in Kandy area, we know the landslides. So proposed land is situated in Delta Kandy. Especially we have following NBR regulations and take building clearance for it. And there are proceeding volume 1 in National Building Research Organization on Act on 1994, and there are some environmental guidance to get the approval for the our proposed project. There are mainly National Environmental Act in 1980, number 47 of 1980, and there are some other national other environmental acts. There are State Land Ordinance Act, Flora and Fauna Protection Ordinance, and Sri Lanka Land Reclamation and Development Organization, Reclamation and Development Authority Act, and the Mines and Mineral Act likewise. And also there are some other local authority bodies acts. There are Water Supply and Drainage Board Act and Electricity, Ceylon National Water Supply and Drainage Board Act, and Ceylon Electricity Board Act, and the Ceylon Tourist Board. And also in this case, EIA report. I think we should not get EIA report, EIA process, because in National Central Environmental Authority in Central Environmental Authority, they have the prescribed list to what are the projects should get the EIA process. But we our in our project we not fulfill all the requirements in the prescribed list. So I think we should not get the EIA process. We should not get the EIA process for this project. And let's see what are the procurement methods and tendering method we select for this project. We select that selective tendering method for this project because there are four types: open tendering, selected tendering, nominated tendering, and serial tendering. But we select selective tendering method because in selective tendering method, only the limited number of contractors who participate the tender evaluation, and we do the tendering is to select a suitable contractor for the particular project. So we can select a suitable one from this method because in open tendering, I think we can't get chosen the more suitable contractor because all the small and biggest contractors are come to this from the open tendering method, but the selective tendering method is more suitable one, and there are some advantages. Single point of responsibility and the builds as a teamwork, and the faster project delivery, and open transparent communication likewise. And then see what is the suitable procurement method. Procurement, we choose the design and build method. Design and there are some five types of procurement methods: traditional method, measurement contract, design and build contract, package deal contract, and turnkey contract. But we choose the design and build contract because in design and build contract, contractor get the responsibility of planning, designing, organizing, and controlling part. And so, traditional method, there are mismatch between design and contractor. But this design and build method, there are no mismatch. Get from them most suitable, and there are some advantages. Low cost, low cost of documentation, and better quality of workmanship, and the competition is only among similar categories. My part is over, and I invite our design engineer, Mr. Achille, to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Machila. Your project requirement a mortar bridge will use a curtain wall of parapet and four tower a gatehouse and for palace of the floor with basement and three floors. This is the key map. We are arranged to palace and swimming pool, roads, car park, in golf ground, restaurant, and helipad. This is the construction plan and front plan and roof plan. This is the basement requirement kitchen areas, storage and security areas. Bus additional we are attached office staff office and washroom and guard room. Uh, Next ground floor areas is gate wall, washroom, washroom and uh, gents and women washrooms, and especially additional disabled people's washroom. Uh, we conference, we arrange a conference hall and library, uh, and gallery in conference hall. First floor arrangement is master bedroom, two master bedroom, living areas, and five bedrooms. Uh, at bedrooms, which especially be attached to lift, passenger lift, and three staircase, uh, three staircases. Uh, Master bedroom, including the uh, open areas and family bedrooms. Second floor is we arranged to uh, this is roofland, castle roofland and restaurant, especially attached restaurant. Uh, this is a 3D plan view. This is the sections. This is a vehicle estimate of our total project. We are estimate to primary items and maintenance item uh, uh, all all together. It's, especially we attach portion sum. Uh, our finance manager explained to our estimating and investment Lahiru, finance manager.
Good morning. I am finance manager for this project. Uh, First, I would like to talk about first we have to check initial preliminary estimate for before uh, considering calculation before calculation this project. We have selected five-star hotel in Beruala Riverina Resort. For this project, we have calculated per square meter unit per rate is 165,000 rupees for 1 square meter. According to this amount, we our project based on this amount, our project cost should be around 402 million. Then according to our quantity surveyors plan, I calculated project budget. Estimated value is 399 million. I have allocated for the architectural design work for 1% from the total estimated amount. Engineering and consultancy allocated for 5%. Then initial operation cost 2.5 million around allocated. Then our project total amount is 425 million rupees. Uh, Value added tax 8%, 31 million rupees. According to the total calculation, our project budget is 455,000. Then we have to calculate revenue generation, income revenue generation activities. We have to identify. I have identified some activities. Example, in our project, we have rooms, some type of rooms. We can rent out rooms. Then we have to allocate retail shop. Then we have locate golf and sport area in our land area. As other other one is spa like that. Then we plan to club and restaurant in outside of the our area building area. Then we can arrange outdoor restaurant and uh, then some we can arrange some outdoor activities and functions also. According to my consideration, I have calculated all expenses and income generated activities, and I allocated discount factor for 10%. Then I have calculated our project in revenue generation how our income gain. We can analyze this from four methods. Financial feasibility studies, we have four methods. Uh, According to these methods, net profit value method. According to net profit value method, above I as mentioned as a top of the slide, net profit value is 246,000. Then this is a profitable project. Investor can generate 246,000 million in 6 throughout 20 years. Then also investor can recover his invested amount within 30 years period. We after that 30 years, then up to 20 years, he can gain his profit. After that, I propose investment option. Two options I propose. First one, investor can invest 85% from project sum, contract sum. Other 15% is by Sri Lanka Tourism Board, SLTD. First option one, investor should must invest 388 million rupees. SLTA invest 68 million. According to the option one, accumulative profit investors profit is 209 million. SLTDA profit is 37 million. Average annual profit is investor profit is 10.4 million. SLTDA profit is 1.8 million. My option, second option is two investors can invest for this project and other balance SLTDA invest. I propose in one investor can 50% and other investor 35%. According to this, investor 50% investor should invest 228 million rupees. 35% investor allocate 160 million rupees. SLTDA 68 million rupees. According to this, accumulative profit, first investor, second investor 86 million, SLTDA 37 million. Average amount investor one profit average per annum annual profit is investor one is 6.1 million, investor two 4.3 million, SLTDA 1.8. According to my calculation, I can say this project is profitable project. Investor can without any without thinking can invest some money. My part is finished. Next, I invite to our project planning project manager Lakshika Lankani.
Here is our work breakdown and site cleaning, removing trees, uh, preparing.
I'm Machala. I'm the safety and health officer in the project. As HSE officer, my main concerns are risk management and HSE issues related to the project. Risk management is a process of identifying the related risks and hazards and assessing the extent of the risks and evaluating its weight and taking steps to control the risks, including monitoring further. We are using the risk metrics to assess the risks in related with the project, considering the category of likelihood against the category of consequence severity. Risk likelihood is categorized as rare, remote, occasional, frequent, and almost certain. and the severity of the risks is divided as catastrophic, major, moderate, and minor and negligible. So, by feeding identified risks into these metrics, we have assessed and evaluated risks, allowing us to decide on controlling methods. There are few major risks which rose our concern. Since almost the whole world is suffering from pandemic COVID-19 and the health experts predict it may last a few years ahead, we may have the risk of project being delayed and cost overruns due to the pandemic waves and other related issues. However, we have suggested risk control methods here. And also our design includes a basement and a moat, which demands deep excavations. We can mitigate the related risks with proper shoring methods as applicable and maintaining required slopes with benching with related to the moat. Health and safety is also a major concern of the project since it is related with the well-being of staff and visitors at site. For timely completion of the site, proper working capability should be ensured. All personnel should be properly educated regarding the safety precautions. This can be achieved by safety training programs and frequent meetings. Adequate PPE should be supplied and ensured of their proper usage during the works by workers. Since this is a hotel project, and this our area is likely to be a biodiversity sensitive area, we have to acquire permissions and clearance from authorities such as SLTDA and CEA. Waste management is a main concern when it comes to sustainable development. We are suggesting a sewer treatment plant to safely dispose soil water, and also that solid waste also should be segregated properly to adopt recycling and reuse.